Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today, Chad and I are going to be checking out and taking for a drive this beautiful 1959 Ford retractable. This is easily the nicest retractable that I've seen or that we've had. Previous owner spent over $125,000 on the restoration, and it shows.
Yeah, make sure you check out the undercarriage on this retractable. The floors are painted gorgeous. Frames all been done. It's a full frame off rotisserie job, done to a very high standard. And restored by the guys down south, I think it was in Arkansas, that do nothing but retractable restoration.
Yeah.
That's who built this one. We don't have to talk about a lot on it. I mean, you can just see by going around the pictures, going around every edge of it is remarkable condition.
Even like the linkages for the throttle and the carburetor look brand new. I mean, just the little things like that are just kind of crazy. It's got air conditioning.
Master cylinder. I mean, just check out the firewall condition.
I mean, there's like nothing out of place on this. Even the little tag on the radiator in the front. I mean, it's a concourse car.
Yes, it is. He won like best of show with about every single
place he took it.
Yeah, every place he took, he won best of show with this one.
So that being said, spending over 6 figures on a restoration, nothing was untouched. All the grill, the bumpers, headlight bezels, all the chrome looks brand new. Paint's got a really nice finish and shine. Hood lines up good. Even down to the wheels and tires.
Show them right down here quick. And they'll be able to see the undercarriage, but look at the quality. See that?
Yeah,
down on the frame.
You can just kind of see that.
I mean, a full frame off rotisserie job.
Yeah, they really don't come any nicer than this.
That's the way the doors open and shut. And how they did the tape line here, see it? Air conditioner works. I got that running right now. Dome light works.
Even the old, yeah. Paint on the dash just as nice as the paint on the outside of the car. Looks
the
like
only thing we
those
weren't crazy about was the visors were a little wrinkly.
Yep. Even the cleanliness of the gauges, all the switches and knobs, it's impressive. Seats are great.
All the chrome and stainless was redone. All the window felts, all that stuff. Glass, rubbers, looks nice. I mean, if you want one that's gonna win the show, buy this one, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of retractables out there. There's a lot of nice ones. There's a lot of crappy ones, but this is one of the nicest ones.
Yeah. Even has even in here has all the luggage, you know, the correct luggage in the box, which
correct
many don't have. Really straight up and down the sides. Exhaust sounds good. Taillights work. Rear bumper. God, this is a beautiful car. Well, he's doing that. We'll continue to go around the rest. But again, taillight housings, chrome, all that's excellent.
Here you go.
And you can see your, you know, reflection anywhere in this car. But even in here, all the painted top, all the rubbers are new.
That way you can show all that. Mm-hmm. Look at the inside of that trunk and stuff. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. But this is what I'm talking about. That's hard to find with these. I mean, like you said, only a shop that only restores retractables would really even have access to those.
That crap, right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna put everything back. Oh, there's the headliner. You can see that too. Yep. And there's pictures of that. So it works great, except for we need that slave. Yep. You know, that one cylinder over there. Locks into place here. See that?
Yep.
Okay.
So really, the only thing I'll say about it is just show quality. If you want to show winter, this is it.
You get a good video of the door jams, how nice they are, D.
Yep.
Look at this right here. Quality here, look at that. Huh? Air conditioner blows. Now with this, okay, so our horn works, okay? Here's your heater fan. Now that's with air conditioning and everything. So this is your heat. If you don't let the air on, see that closes that? There's your heater, right? That'll blow out your different defrost, all that kind of stuff. Your temperature, we moved over to heat. And here's your defrost, right? So that moves all that. You shut that off, but if you want the air conditioner on, pull that out, switches it, then that'll come the air out of there, okay? Top switch is over here. You gotta have it in neutral to run the top. That's just how they are. It's just what, you gotta have it in neutral. You can't have it in park for that. Radio is complete, does count town and country, but does not work. Okay, gas gauge works. Temp gauge works. It's right in the medium right now. For wipers, and they work quickly. Padded dash is awesome. 3-speed automatic.
Nice.
What do you think?
I like it.
You a fan?
I'm a fan.
This is definitely a trailer queen.
Yeah.
But I know Dennis did drive it to shows, but not very far, right? He
Yeah.
had a nice and close trailer. If he was going a long ways, he definitely trailered it to a show.
Yeah, I just love everything about this, the little details.
One thing that's not working to you is the speedometer. Not sure on that, what's going on there. Brakes are perfect, no pull left or right. Sounds good, don't it?
It does.
It rides. Being that frame off rotisserie, there's no squeaks, there's no rattles, nothing. It's just,
Quality.
yeah, quality car. The nice thing is when sometimes when they go to this perfection, they don't care about the way it drives because they just trailer it to a show, pull it out, make sure it starts. But this one runs and drives great. I mean, like you said, no squeaks, rattles. The brakes are awesome.
This car is nicer than they would have came from the factory.
Oh, yeah,
by a lot.
Here's your brakes. Brakes are awesome. And it's a very well option. How many had air conditioning? Very few.
Yeah.
Town and country radio, steering, brakes, air. So very highly option.
This would have been cool in '59 to be driving this thing around, you know?
Yeah.
Like,
And these are expensive back then.
yeah, these are banker cars.
Yeah.
Banker or insurance guy, you got to be one of them to drive this back in 1959.
The steering is awesome. Suspension's great. The alignment's good.
Start for this tractor.
I'm impressed with it.
Nice, very nice car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.